Guys, this is the video. Oh my god, it's season 7. It's the event me and my friend Tom think is happening. Look, right guys, I'll show you the I'll show you the look. It's got the Ice King inside it. I don't know if you can see, but look, the Ice King season 7 skin, look.
Okay, get a better view of it.
God.
Can't really see it.
Look.
Okay, I'll make it turn red and say there's
right
a
guys, look. I can make it turn red. Oh, and then now you can really see Ice King. This is my Tom. Speak. You're on my channel. Hi. Yeah. Go sub to his channel. What's your channel called, Tom? Oh, nice. Anyway. Oh my god. This is. Oi. Did that just go pink? It's not just me being a weirdo. Right. We've tried to like blow it up and stuff, but nothing happens.
Now boombox it.
Wait.
Chuck a boombox into the middle.
He doesn't have boom boxes.
And get some.
No, he can't. Really?
Oh my, Tom. No, Tom! You're evil. Anyway, no, literally, guys. I'm probably like the first person to talk with.
Huh.
Oh my god, it's spinning. Guys, it like follows you around when you move around it. Literally.
I think it's turning you into it.
Season 7 event. Oh my god. Right, guys. I'm gonna cut the clip for now. Bye. Guys, this is Fortnite Season 7. Ice King just moved. I'm back. And Tom, you're so. Oh my god, I thought you were gonna kill me then. Right, kid, can you hold it? Like at the TV. Don't move that. Don't move that. Don't move that. Hold on. So guys, this is Ice King. Oh my. Wait, what? Oh my god, wait. I'm gonna crouch and try and get under it, and I'm gonna. Tom, right? Can you break the bouncer? And then, do you have another bouncer, Tom? Right, break this one. Right, now I'll place another one. Wait, now. Oh, that
Went inside it. Yeah.
Alright, guys, I can't be bothered to wait in the show to take ages.
Oh. Have you clicked any buttons?
Yeah, right.
No.
Right, guys.
Just
Me and Tom, let's have a fight up here. Wait, not yet though. Because this will be
what
sick.
are you doing?
Tom!
Tell us.
So,
Okay.
this is, yeah, guys. Me and Tom are just gonna have a fight to entertain you guys while this thing is moving around. Oh! Wait, does that do anything special? Oh my god.
It's frozen.
Right, well, I've got an idea, Tom. Alright, sniper battle, me and Tom. Oh, Tom's gonna fall. Oh yeah, no full damage. Flip, I forgot that. Tom's gonna, you're gonna try and knock me down, aren't you?
Oh my god, it's like half on the TV.
No, that's full on the TV.
Yeah, that's good.
That's
Right.
full on the TV.
Right, something's happening. Right, yeah.
Ja, you hold it.
Wait, Tom.
Ja, point it out.
Alright, I'm gonna go and check one of the TVs. I'm gonna go to a house and find a TV and see how long it says.
Until
Yeah, I
when?
destroyed it. I'm gonna look in this house. Yeah, I know, there's one everywhere. Oh my god, it looks so cool from far away.
Kyle, this has been 2 minutes long.
Yeah. So. Oh my god.
It's
not plugged in. You guys, you got to start putting the plug on. Okay, your charger works fine. Me and Mum turn the plug off at night. That's the problem. Stop
Okay.
Sit robbing that charger out of the back room.
Should I close up? Should I close up
Is
on
that-
it? Should I close up on it?
Dad, is that 23 hours?
What?
Or is that 23 hours or?
23 minutes.
Guys, 23 minutes.
Wait, until when?
Till there's
Snowstorm.
23 minutes till the snowstorm.
Kyle. I think that's good.
Yeah. Let's leave.
And then
now.
you can record. Yeah. So, Kale, and then should.
Right, when I say unpause it.
Are you starting again?
Hi guys, it's me back with another video. A day after the event happened live. Now look at the fog. Literally, you can hardly see the whole map. Like it's like they destroyed the render distance or something. Playing with Tom like I was yesterday. Well, I'm not playing with him, but playing. Is there any loot still left in there? Oh. Heavy sniper. Oh no, suppressed sniper. Oh well, I think. People always say the suppressed snipers are terrible, guys, but I don't agree with that. Look, what the hell? Destroy chairs. That's a challenge. Guys, Wailing Woods, teleport. How does that count as a rift to go? Tom, I know I can get guys. Right, this video must also be how to do challenges easy. You can use Tom. You know in Wailing the bunker.
Yeah.
You know where there's little teleport things so you can get from the houses, like house to house. You know the Rift to Go challenge. You use Rift to Go in different matches. You can use that by going through them. I know. Oh, I'm getting shot at. Oh, I'm blighted by 2 planes. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Chased down by 2 planes. I see a guy. Hey bro. Taste my sniper. Hey, you wanna chomp? You wanna chomp on my sniper? Oh no, okay, I'm dead. Alright, bye guys. That was just showing you about fog in Fortnite. This video is gonna be part of the one about the event. So yeah, hope you like it. Bye.